PG students, research scholars, scientists, and professors registered from all over the world. For the conference, we received more than 100 abstracts, out of which more than 20 presented their papers through oral presentations in hybrid mode, and more than 15 presented their work through posters. The conference commenced with the release of souvenir and abstract book by Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Naveen Kumar, Vice Chancellor, Chaudhry Sarvan Kumar, Himachal Pradesh Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Palanpur. Dr. Naveen Kumar set the tone of the international conference by focusing on the theme of our international conference. He highlighted the pivotal role of basic and social sciences in advancing human welfare and societal progress. With fervor, he inspired the audience to set ambitious goals fueled by meticulous planning, clear requirements, and a supportive environment, all driven by the transformative power of self-discipline. Then, our keynote address was delivered by Professor Mahavir Singh. Professor Mahavir Singh is a renowned professor with more than 260 research publications in journals of national and international repute. He talked about impact of artificial intelligence on human society. First, he discussed various emerging career trends such as green and sustainable energy, cybersecurity, healthcare technology, data science and analytics, and artificial intelligence. Further, he delved deeper into topics of machine learning, deep learning, neural networking, and applications of generative AI. We had 5 sessions in which there were 9 invited speakers, out of which 5 speakers delivered their talk in virtual mode. The technical session 1 started with invited talk of Dr. Manish Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Dr. Kumar's talk was on global climate change. He detailed about greenhouse effect, global warming, and their impacts. He also suggested some sustainable ways to prevent climate changes by the end of his presentation. Then, on the second day, the technical sessions 2 began with the invited talk of Professor Khalid Mujassam Batu from King Saudi University, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. He joined our conference via virtual mode. He gave insights regarding basic properties of oxides, ferroelectrics, EMI shielding, reflectivity of multiferrics materials, etc. Then, in the same technical session, Dr. Jay Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, NIT Hamirpur, spoke about synergistic light harvesting in plasmonic photocatalysts. He discussed functional nanomaterials such as noble metal nanoparticles, plasmonics, and its various applications. He further discussed about surface-enhanced Raman scattering, its importance, and noble material TiO2 nanocomposites. Then, the technical session 3 commenced with invited talk of Dr. Anjana Dogra, who works as Senior Principal Scientist at National Physical Lab, New Delhi. Her illustrative presentation, which was also through virtual mode, discussed about oxide thin films and interfaces, electron gun. She also showed the significance of these oxide interfaces. Then our conference moved on with invited talk by Dr. Dhaka Ram Bhandari, who is Executive Director at CESAR and works as Adjunct Professor at Gandaki University. The talk also was again through virtual mode. He talked further with quantification of various phytochemicals extracted from these plant species that he discussed about. The last technical session of the second day was technical session 4, which consisted of invited talk by Dr. Sucheta Sharma of Dalhousie University, Greater Ottawa in Canada. Dr. Sharma discussed how miniaturized antennas have revolutionized the communication sector and challenges faced in this research area. Dr. Sucheta Sharma also emphasized the advances in the automotive sector using electrical vehicles through V2X technology. Now, the Day-3, which is today, commenced with technical session number 5 with the invited talk of Dr. Pankaj Kanwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Psychiatry from Dr. Rajendra Prasad Government Medical College. Dr. Kanwar gave us an insightful discussion about the causes of mental health, and he delved deeper into other topics of mental health like depression, anxiety disorders, suicide, addiction, and stress management. Finally, our technical session concluded with the invited talk of Dr. Khem Raj Sharma, Professor in Department of English in Central University of Himachal Pradesh. His topic of discussion was about translation as a new paradigm. Dr. Sharma discussed some carefully selected translated stories with us in brief from Himachali folktales. Some stories he mentioned are the saddle, the rosh, and mitzvah. Finally, I would like to conclude my report. The conference brought together experts from various disciplines to discuss recent advances, challenges, and solutions in basic and social sciences. This international conference, which occurred in hybrid mode, aimed to foster interdisciplinary collaboration, knowledge sharing, and innovative thinking. Basic sciences, the mother of innovation, and social sciences, the guardian of societal harmony, together form a powerful synergy that advances human knowledge, fosters satisfaction, and enriches community worldwide. I sincerely thank all the delegates, participants, and students for making this conference a huge success. Thank you.